This is the story of an organism and the environment. It is the story of their relationship, a relationship that can be observed as the dance of continuous exchange, in which the diaphragm pulls air in and expels used air to the outside world. The quality of this dance, its movement, rhythm, rate, reflects the synergy that exists between motion, emotion, and breath. An important function of breathing is to reflect our individual condition. As I explore my breath, I learn about myself. Breath is a mirror of the emotional state and expression of self. Observing and paying attention to these patterns offers an opportunity to explore the relationship between my inner environment and the outer environment, an opportunity to change perception by exploring interoception. If you're curious to go inwards, to connect to your breath, to your continuous pulsing dance, I invite you to join me on Thursday, the 21st of December, winter solstice for BAO, the Breathing as One Breath Exploration Program. Witness over 6 months the science of breath and the profound impact it can have on yourself. I look forward to sharing this practice with you.